If you want to customize how your itch.io project page looks, this video is going to walk you through how to edit the theme of your projects in itch.io, step by step in the simplest way possible. Whether you want to make your page look more polished, match your game's style, or just stand out more to visitors, changing the theme can make a big difference. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to itch.io. Once the website loads, look at the top of the page and click on Dashboard. This will take you to your Creator dashboard, where all of your projects are managed in one place. From here, find the project you want to update and click Edit. This opens the settings for that specific project, where you can change details like your page content, appearance, and other project information. Now, before you make changes, you may want to preview the current page layout. To do that, click View Page next to the Save button in the top right area. This helps you see how the project currently looks before you start editing the theme. After that, go back and click Edit Theme. This is the section you need in order to customize the look and feel of your project page. Inside the theme editor, you can change the styling and adjust the theme settings according to your preference. Depending on what itch.io allows for that project, you may be able to update colors, layout-related settings, and other visual elements so the page feels more personalized. Take your time here and change the theme accordingly until it matches the style you want. Once you're happy with the changes, look for the Save button and click it to apply everything. Saving is important because it locks in your edits and makes sure the new theme is live on your project page. After that, your theme update is complete. You can return to your project page and view the results to make sure everything looks the way you want. And that's how you edit the theme of projects in itch.io in just a few quick steps. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more itch.io guides in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.